We're going to be looking through the easy creation of water. Water is very popular in maps because it looks very good in Half-Life 2. Unfortunately, it's very simple to put in as well. So we've got an area to do that, which is this large square room here. So what you'll need to do first is make sure you've got your no draw texture selected, which you can search for in the texture browser. And once you've done that, get your block tool ready. And in this case I want the whole room to be water. So what we're going to do is drag out across the whole floor. We'll have that roughly halfway up, just under. Press enter on that. Okay, so it's important that you have all sides of this brush as no draw to start with. Once you've done that, you now need a water texture. So you go to your browse window, water, and that brings up all these water textures here. So we're using the blue ones, so I'll just use this one here. Just apply that to the top surface only. Just give that a moment to load. Okay, so there you go. So applied that water texture to the top of the brush now. So really, if you compile that now, that water's ready to go, but there's a couple of entities that we will need in there. If people are using older graphics cards, the water renderer might not be very good for them, so they'll need a cube map in there, which will help create the shiny effect on it. Most people won't need this anymore, but in the older days of when Half-Life 2 came out, it was necessary. But you'll use one anyway. You'd put one above the water, and when you do run your map and build cube maps, which you can find a tutorial on Interlopers, it'll create the reflections for you. And another entity you might need as well, you scroll down, is water LOD control. And if you go into that, what this lets you do is control how far away the water turns into cheat water. So as you move away, it becomes less detailed. So you can control that if your map needs it. Otherwise, it will do it by default. And that's pretty much it. When you compile your map, the water will be ready.